This is February 16th, 2014. Got my truck all ready for scrapping. Got my wood on the back. There you go. And I put it in here. Oscar is my doggy. That frame in front actually came from a bed I found in the trash. Everything else was found in the trash, the wood, except for the bolts. And I just picked up a couch, and I made my first money. It was out of that couch. So far, fell out 2 pennies. There you go. My first 2 cents. And actually, Oscar, stop it. These pennies are doesn't want to focus. Well, I'll tell you what they are. I can't tell the year on this one. If it's before 82, which I have a pretty good, it's pretty dark, so I'm thinking it is. This one's 1974. So actually, there's about 4 cents laying here. If these are pure copper, before 1982, they're worth about 2 to 3 cents a piece. So there's 6 cents there. So there you go. My first real cash.